Hi guys, in this video I will be comparing these two mousses. So I have this mousse here and I will be comparing it to this mousse. So if you're interested in seeing that video, keep on watching. Alright, so this side I'll be starting off with the Doux Mousse Def. And for my entire hair, I will be doing a braid out. If you are new here, what I like to do is use one product for one half of the hair and the other product for the second half. And I like to leave my hair for about a good 3 to 4 days minimum, then unravel my hair to give a fair assessment. And now I will be, like I said, I'll be doing a braid out. I have already put leave-in conditioner in my hair because really and truly I'm not playing about the moisture that my hair has. And what I am going to do is do medium-sized braids, because I don't want a small braid out, but I also don't want a chunky braid out either. So I have my little piece here and I think I want to split it in two since they are medium sized, not too small or not too big. And that's what I'll be doing for my hair. All right, so this is the section of hair, and the creator of the mousse does say to add 2 to 3 pumps for each section, but since this is fairly small section, I think I'm only just going to add 1 pump since I find that the mousse studs up. But ooh, I put 2 just because I have it, but I think the 2 should be able to work for this section. Yeah, it's too much, so I will definitely be using 1 pump for each section. And you see how defined my hair is already getting? Yeah, that is why I love the Doux Mousse Def, but I also love the Mielle Organics mousse, so I want to see which one will win. I'm just going to be plaiting the hair. Just do a little twist at the very end, just so that I don't have to spend a lot of time unraveling and then coiling the end here. This is what the braid is looking like, and that is what I'll be doing for this side of the hair. So I will be back when I'm ready for the Mielle Organics side. All right guys, so this is the Doux side, and here is what this section is looking like. And I will do the same for the Mielle Organics side, which is over here, and I'll be back when everything is completed. All right guys, so this is the Mielle Organics side now. So I will leave this in for about 3 to 4 days because I really just want the style to set. Then I will be back to unravel my hair. All right, guys, so it is 3 days later and it is time to take these down. If you are new on my channel, I do not separate my hair with oils because I find that without oils the style lasts longer, plus what I use in my hair already contains oil, so I don't need to put any more oil on my hair. So this side, just a reminder, is the Doux Mousse Def side, and the left side is the Mielle Organics side. So as you're seeing, I'm just putting my hair away so I can just focus on this particular side, and I'm going to split this in half just to make it a tad bit easier, and then I'm going to focus on the front part for this portion of the video, just so that you can see me unravel a plait. I haven't unraveled any of them, so this will be your first time, our first time, seeing the curl pattern. So like I said, this is the Mielle Organics side first. And what I noted before unraveling the plaits was the fact that the plaits over here felt a tad bit firmer than the ones over here. Yes, they still have a lot of flexibility and they're still pretty soft, but you know when you can tell that something has hold. Well, I thought that the plaits over here had a little bit, a decent hold, I should say. So I'm just unraveling the plait carefully, and when I get a firm grip, I will unravel in the opposite direction of the plait so that the curl can be kept as much as possible. All right, so this is what the first braid out pattern is looking like, and I am going to unravel these quickly. There will be a short montage and I'll be back when it's time to unravel this side. All right guys, so this is what this side is looking like. So on to unraveling the Doux side, and I will be back with my final thoughts. All right guys, so here is the Doux side, so I will show you now. So now let's get into this review. I usually do 3 sections, so I will focus on the moisture, the definition, and the hold. So in the moisture department, I can indeed say that with the leave-in underneath, my hair does feel really soft and hydrated at present moment. I will put on the screen if the moisture held up for the rest of the time that I will keep this style in, but for now my hair does feel soft. There is no comparison with the softness, so I would have to give both sides an 8 out of 10 for the moisture. Now let's move on into the definition. Y'all, I honestly thought that the Mielle Organics mousse was actually going to have more hold since it was marketed to have hold, but surprisingly with the Mousse Def side, my curls are more clumped and they're tighter, whereas over here there's a little more fluff. So the definition is pretty good over here as well, but it is really crispy. Not crispy as in it can't move, but the curls are set in place on the Mousse Def side. So I would have to give the Mielle Organics side a 7 out of 10 just because the front part is a little more separated, so I'm not expecting it to hold up as much. And in the back part we have a little more frizz in the back piece. I don't know if you can see it, but this part right here was a little frizzier. So with that being said, I'd have to give the definition an 8 over this side and a 9.5 for the Mousse Def, because I really like the definition for the Mousse Def. And leading on into the hold, I'd actually have to give the hold for the Mousse Def a 9 out of 10 as well, because in my roots and in some of my ends I can feel like it's going to get a lot frizzier as the days go by. But overall, a pretty strong hold for a mousse. You can see that my curls are more clumped together and more uniformed in this side, and over here my hair is a tad bit more fluffy. So I'd have to give the Mielle Organics for the hold a 7 or an 8 out of 10. I will again update you on the screen how this side holds up for the rest of the time, which would probably be about, this is currently day 3 of my hair being in braids, currently the braid out. So again, it will be about 4 days left before I wash my hair, and during those 4 days my hair can either get extremely frizzy or it can remain as defined as possible. So like I said, with that being said, the hold in this section, I'd give it an 8 because the middle pieces have a decent hold. I am not complaining about the hold at all, and really and truly, these are two great mousses. I've used them both separately. I really loved the Mousse Def for a wash and go. I found that it had a great hold and great definition. The Mousse Def did not disappoint with these curls either. And really and truly, the Mielle Organics I have used also for a wash and go, and I found that it had a decent hold as well. My hands do not feel sticky at the present moment. However, while unraveling my hair, there was a tad bit of a sticky feeling, but now it's gone. I just feel product which isn't overbearing. You just know that there's product in your hair. So with that being said, if you have made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, definitely leave a like. And if you want to see more content from me, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications, and share this video with someone who's interested in trying the Mielle Organics Mousse or the Doux Mousse Def, but has no idea which one will work better for their type 4 natural hair. Or if they're just curious about a comparison video, definitely send this video to them. And while you're at it, check out videos that will pop up on your screen if you're interested in seeing more content from me. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.